Hi, Parrot is an online dating application like Tinder. What makes Parrot different from other dating app is here user can know how their matches actually looks like before they spend time going on a date. User can log in via Facebook or by providing number. Every time user wants to log in, they will have to provide an OTP sent to their mobile number. Now as you can see, coming to the home screen, user will find multiple profiles of different users. Now tapping on this I button, user will be able to view the pictures of that user. If user wants, they can report the profile or even block that user. Now going to the left panel, user will find these functions. Tapping on this setting, user can set the age limit, distance and gender based on their preference. For example, if you are a female, then obviously you would like to browse the male users. So you can set your preference as male and save. From here you can add multiple pictures. To your profile and save. If user has any query, they can type a message and add an email address and send to the admin, and they will get the reply as soon as possible. Going to the right panel, user will be able to view the current matches, swiping right any picture. If another user also swipe right for you, there will be a match and both the user will be able to chat with each other. As you can see, user will be able to send videos to another user of 10 seconds. Once that user seen the video will get disappear. All videos are filtered by our AI so that user will never receive any kind of nudity. So that was the features of our Parrot dating application. Thank you for watching.